Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good,
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Okay. Now, this lesson we have already started. Lesson number 7. Or we have to start with this lesson.
No, ma'am.
We have to start with this lesson.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sixth lesson completed.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Sixth lesson
Yes,
completed.
ma'am.
Sixth lesson was about whom? Which topic was there of the sixth lesson?
Ma'am, sporting.
Sporting organism.
Ma'am,
Sporting
sporting
origins.
origins.
Yes,
Origin.
sporting origins. Sporting origins. Now, in this last part, page sorry, of chapter 6 only, last quick quiz was there. Quick quiz. In that quick quiz, uh, which personality has been given information about, means information of which personality we are getting from that last paragraph, which sportsman. The picture is also given in the last. See,
Ma'am, Vinu Manka.
yes, Vinu Mankan. So this last quiz was about Vinu Mankan, that being Mankanen. The meaning of Mankanen means why this term was used. This is that being Mankanen in cricket is a way in which you can be given out. I already explained this paragraph. Just to be
Yes,
given
ma'am.
out, this term is used. Mankanen. Why this term is used? Because the great Indian cricketer, so Vinu Mankad was a great Indian cricketer. He was the first to run out a batsman. वो फर्स्ट थे जिन्होंने एक बैट्समैन को इस टाइप से रन आउट किया था. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
इसीलिए उनके नाम के अकॉर्डिंग ये दे दिया गया है वीनू मानकन. असीम असीम, I think you don't. You have joined the class to disturb my class and not for your studies. Am I right? So in the test match against Australia at Sydney 1947. So in 1947 this word was used, Mankan, just why by the name Vinu Mankan, because Vinu Mankan was the first to run out a batsman. एक बैट्समैन को इस टाइप से उन्होंने रन आउट किया था. कैसे रन आउट किया था? That it is a type of run out decision. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now page number, sorry, lesson number 7. It is about books, my best friend. Books, my best friend. Have you all opened?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Why books are called as best friend? Why books are called as best friend?
Ma'am, because they give us knowledge.
Very good. They gives us knowledge and anything else? Yes, Parnika. Anybody else? Only they give us knowledge. That is why they are called as best friends. Because whenever you are free, whenever nobody is with you, whenever you are free, and at the time when whenever you are getting bored or whenever you are having any type of tension, you just take any of the book. Either it is a story book, either it is a your study book, course book, or any of the magazine, and you start reading, and just you start reading that particular magazine or book, and you forgot all your worries and tension, and you yourself indulge in reading, means very keenly reading the magazine or particular book. Yes or no? जब आप अकेले होते हो, जब आप फ्री टाइम होते हो, तो आप क्या चाहते हो कि कोई भी नहीं है, चलो बुक निकाल के पढ़ लिया. So that is why the books are called as the best friend. कि जब कोई नहीं होता है तब अगर हम बुक्स निकाल के पढ़ना लगेंगे then it will definitely increase your knowledge and the time will also pass. Clear? So there are many sections of the part of the book. As you are all having a book and you are having knowledge about many magazines plus many story books and all. So the books are having many parts, each serving a different purpose. Means किसी का introduction होता है, किसी का conclusion होता है, किसी का main part होता है, किसी का acknowledgement होता है, किसी का writers part होता है ना. So match the terms with the function, choose the correct word from the box. Now from the box you have to choose the correct word and you have to first read the hint what they are asking and accordingly you have to choose the word from here. Now first word, a few words just after the title page. Few words just after the title page. Mentioning who the author is dedicating the book to. मीन्स थोड़े से वर्ड्स में लिखा गया है टाइटल पेज के बाद अबाउट होम द ऑथर इज राइटिंग अबाउट टू होम द बुक इज बीइंग डेडिकेटेड. किसको उसने समर्पित की है ये बुक, क्यों लिखी है, किसके नाम पर ये बुक लिखी है, दैट मीन्स किसके लिए ये बुक डेडिकेट की है. यूजुअली समवन वेरी क्लोज टू हिम, कभी कभी बहुत उनके क्लोज होता है. एंड समवन हु हैज बीन इंस्पायरिंग, किसी पर्सन से कोई इंस्पायर हो जाता है और कुछ इंस्पायर होकर कोई तो पोएट्री लिखता है, कोई गाने लिखता है. और यहाँ पर अगर ऑथर है तो क्या लिखा उसने, बुक लिखा है. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज डेडिकेशन.
Dedication.
Clear? Now next is a unique identification number that every book has. हर बुक का ये यूनिक आइडेंटिफिकेशन नंबर होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ISBN.
ISBN.
ISBN. Yes, ISBN full form. Full form of ISBN, International Standard Book Number. You can mention here in bracket. Bracket में आप लिख सकते हो full form so that you will be able to understand. International Standard Book Number. Everybody has written the full form of ISBN, International Standard Book Number. So this is the unique identification number that every book is having. Now third, a separate introductory section that gives the reader some information about when and where the action is taking place and some other background information. That is called as prologue. The introductory section is called as prologue. जहाँ पर बताया जाता है कि ये पर्टिकुलर बुक किस सिचुएशन में कौन से बैकग्राउंड इंफॉर्मेशन इनके पास है उसके बारे में लिखी गई है. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज प्रोलॉग. PROLOGUE. Next, a section or speech at the end of the book or play that serves as a comment on or a conclusion to what had happened. That is
Epilogue.
Epilogue.
Yes, epilogue. EPILOGUE, epilogue. Next is the extra cover that is placed over the hard cover of the book. So the extra cover is called as dust jacket.
Dust jacket.
Yes, dust jacket.
Dust jacket.
Everybody is marking and writing in the book itself now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Don't worry.
ma'am.
Okay. A page towards the front of the book that tells you the names and the page number of the chapters. Contents. है ना?
Content.
The next is a short introduction to a book, usually by a person other than the author. Author के अलावा, हाँ,
Forward.
forward. FOREWORD, forward. Author के अलावा जो short introduction दिया गया है book का. Now next is a short introduction to a book by the author. अब author के द्वारा short introduction दिया गया है. Preface. Yes, preface.
Preface.
Good, preface. Next, a thank you section of the book where the publishers and authors mention the names of those who have helped in some way.
Acknowledgement.
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 Acknowledgements. Clear acknowledgement here. Then an alphabetical listing of names, place and topics along with the number of pages on which they are mentioned or discussed, usually at the end of the book.
Index.
Index.
Yes. So I hope everybody is written till here. Next,
Yes, ma'am.
leaders to write books. Complete this table. Now, leaders to write the books. Now, the name of the books are given here. Authors, somewhere blanks are there. You have to fill up those blanks. Clear? Now, first, the story of my experiments with truth was written by Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Who was Mahatma Gandhi? Great Indian.
Nation.
Ladder.
Yeah. Next, the discovery of India, that is glimpses of the world. It was written by
Jawaharlal Nehru. First Prime Minister of India.
yes, first Prime Minister of India. Then Dreams from My Father, the Audacity of Hope, written by Barack Obama.
Barack Obama. Former President of USA.
Yes, former President of USA. Man Kampf. This was the book named written by
Adolf Hitler.
Played a major role in World War II.
yes, Adolf Hitler. And who was Adolf Hitler? He was a German military dictator who played a major role.
in World War
Second.
Second, clear? Now, Beyond 2020, A Vision of Tomorrow's India was written by
APJ Abdul Kalam.
Kalam.
APJ Abdul Kalam.
Former
Former
President of
President of India.
Yes. Next, मेरी मेरी 51 कविताएं was written by
Bihari
Atal
Vajpayee.
Bihari Vajpayee.
Former Prime Minister of India.
yes,
Former Prime Minister of India.
yes. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next is match these well-known books with the authors. Now here the names of the books are there and you have to match with the authors. Should we continue now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The Great Indian Novel was written by
Shashi Tharoor.
yes. Here you can write down number 1. Shashi Tharoor. Number 1 here. Neatly. With and everybody has written today's date here on the top. Today's date.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now next is the Lost Hero. Lost Hero was written by
Rick Riordan.
yes. Rick Riordan. The next, The Tales of Biddle and Bard.
J.K. Rowling.
Yes, H here it is given. J.K. Rowling. Clear? Then
Yes.
the Fountainhead. The Fountainhead. Ayn Rand. Ayn Rand. Clear? Then Cain and Abel. Cain and Abel. Jeffrey Archer. Here it is. Jeffrey Archer. Clear? Next is Interpreter of Maladies. Interpreter of Maladies.
Zumpa Lahiri.
Zumpa Lahiri.
Lahiri.
Yes, Zumpa Lahiri. Then 100 Years of Solitude. Gabriel Garcia
Gabriel Garcia
Marcus.
Masquerade.
Clear? The next is
Yes, ma'am.
things fall apart. Things fall apart. Chinua Achebe.
Chinua
Chinua
Achebe.
Achebe. Clear? Then ninth, the diary of young girl. Ninth, the diary of young girl.
Annie Frank.
And, yes, and friend. Clear?
And
Next is 10th, Mrs. Dalloway. Mrs. Dalloway.
Woolf.
Virginia. Yes, Virginia Woolf. Then from Heaven Lake,
Vikram Seth.
Vikram Seth. Vikram Seth. Yes. Then the Lord of Wings. Yes. J.R.R. Tolkien. This is J. J for jug. This is J. Okay. J.R.R. Tolkien. Then 13, the God of Small Things.
Arundhati Roy.
Arundhati Roy.
Yes.
Roy.
Arundhati Roy. Then 14th, Murder on the Orient Express.
Agatha Christie.
Agatha Christie. Yes, Agatha Christie. Yeah, 14 number. Then 15 is The Kite Runner. The Kite Runner.
Khaled Hossein.
Hosni.
Yes, Khaled. Khaled Hosseini. Clear. Now 16, Through the Looking Glass.
Lewis Carroll.
Lewis Carroll.
Lewis Carroll.
Lewis Carroll.
Lewis Carroll. Clear. Then next is White Mughals. 17th. White Mughals.
William
Darby.
Yes. William Dalrymple.
Dalrymple.
Then a short history of nearly everything. Bill Bryson.
Bill Bryson.
Then the White Tiger.
Arvind
Adiga. Arvind Adiga. Here now after this 1920th in custody.
Anita
Anita Desai. Then Pride and Prejudice.
Jenny Austen.
Austen.
Jane Austen.
Yes, Jenny Austen. Then a House of Mr. Biswas.
B.S.
Naipaul.
B.S. Naipaul.
V.S. Naipaul. Then The Color Purple. The Color Purple. Alice Walker. Alice Walker. Then Jane Eyre.
Charlotte
Charlotte Bronte. Clear. Then Jane Eyre gone. Then 1984. 1984.
George Orwell.
Okay, I hope everybody has written this. Now here is this is a picture of whom? Khaled Hosseini. This is a picture of whom? Yes, Khaled Hosseini. Then here this is a picture of Alice Walker. Picture of Alice Walker. This Gabriel Gracia Marquez. This is Ayn Rand. Yes. This
Jhumpa
Jhumpa Lahiri.
Jhumpa Lahiri. And this
Shashi Tharoor.
Shashi Tharoor. Okay, Shashi Tharoor. Then this
Rick Riordan.
Rick Riordan.
Rick Riordan.
And this
Arundhati
Arundhati Roy.
this is a picture of Arundhati Roy. Then next this
Jeffrey Archer.
Jeffrey Archer. Yes, and this
Jeffrey Archer.
Lewis. Yes,
Lewis
Carroll.
yes, Lewis Carroll. This is the picture of
Jenny Austen.
Jenny Austen.
Jenny
And this is the picture of
Agatha
Christie.
see the difference between Jenny Austen and Agatha Christie. है ना? ठीक है? Yes, Agatha Christie. Then now next the question is given in the down. Quick quiz. Given here. Quick quiz is given there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then that what sort of book is science fiction novel? What sort of book is science fiction novel?
A science fiction
Science
novel.
fiction novel often tells a story about the science and technology of the future.
Yes. Yes. So everybody knows what is the sort of book is science fiction novel?
Yes,
Science
ma'am.
fiction, yes.
ma'am.
So a science fiction novel often tells a story about the science and technology
of
of the future. So this tells us the story about science and technology of the future. I hope it is clear now.
Yes.
Next,
ma'am.
next lesson, lesson number 8, for a cause. For a cause. किसी कारण के लिए. Clear? The lesson is about the diseases, different types of diseases and all, mental health disorders and all. So many diseases are preventable. Many diseases are preventable means रोकी जा सकती है. बहुत सी डिजीज जो बीमारियां होती है वो रोकी जा सकती हैं. Some are curable or can be controlled. Some are curable, can be cured, and can be controlled also if diagnosed at the early stage. अगर early stage पे ही पता लग जाए, जैसे ही आपको कुछ symptoms लगता है कि कुछ आप हेल्थ कंडीशन आप प्रॉपर नहीं है आपकी, और स्टार्टिंग एज में ही अगर if you go to the doctor, then what happens? The doctor will diagnose your disease and your disease can be cured and can be controlled. If अगर आप proper timing starting में नहीं जाएंगे, then it takes little bit more time to get your cure, and even sometimes the doctor says that it is not curable now. अब time ज़्यादा हो गया है. So it is necessary whenever anybody feels like that the disease or some problem related to health condition, they should definitely go to see the doctor so that the disease can be cured and controlled at the early stage only. However, they often go undetected because of lack of awareness. कभी-कभी हमको पता भी नहीं होता है. Lack of awareness means without our knowledge, they are undetected. हमें means उस बीमारी के बारे में हमें कुछ जानकारी नहीं होती है. In order to create awareness, लोगों के बीच में awareness spread करने के लिए, to lend support, in some cases to raise funds of a cause, individual and organization have come together and devised ingenious ways to educate people for the cause. इसीलिए कुछ organization सामने आए हैं जो कि जिन्होंने इन diseases के बारे में जानकारी दी है, knowledge spread करी है, so that people are supported whenever they feel these types of diseases, any health conditions related to these diseases. Clear? And they are supported by these organizations, either through funds and all, or through the support and all. Clear? Through the proper care and all. So first is choose the correct option. Mental health disorder. That is 10th October. It is celebrated World Mental Health Day. World Mental Health Day is celebrated on 10th of
10th
October.
And October.
And mental health disorder, it refers to the disruption in person's intellectual behavior and emotional well-being.
well-being.
Emotional well-being. Emotionally वो कुछ proper नहीं होता है. That means some problem is related to mental health disorder. Clear? Emotionally जब आपको लगता है कि कोई person emotionally proper नहीं है, that means it has mental disorder. That it is usually caused by stress, depression, change in circumstances, economic instability.
Stability.
Economic instability. Here. And it is usually affects a person's physical health and ability to enjoy life. और जब mentally person एक तरीके से healthy नहीं रहेगा, then what will happen? Then definitely physically also he will become weak and he will not be able to enjoy the life. उसको कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. Warning signs are include long distances, sadness and irritability. कभी-कभी बहुत ज़्यादा लंबे समय तक वो सैड महसूस करता है अपने आप को और इरिटेट हो जाता है. High and low moods, mood swings, excessive fear, worry or anxiety means tension and all. Social withdrawal, सोसाइटी के साथ वो मिलना जुलना नहीं चाहता है. Changes in eating habits में उसको चेंज आ जाता है. कभी खाना खाता है, कभी नहीं खाता है, उसको अच्छा नहीं लगता है. Sleep patterns, कभी नींद नहीं आती, कभी जगता रहता है रात भर. Then these are all the signs which includes that the person is suffering from mental health disorder. Clear? These are the warning signs. Everybody clear? Mood swings means कभी तो बिल्कुल बहुत अच्छा लगेगा उसको सब कुछ और कभी एकदम से उसका मूड चेंज हो जाएगा, सब पे गुस्सा करने लग जाएगा. So these are all the warning signs that conclude that mental health disorder. Then it is one of the leading cause of disability of the world, and celebrities who talks about this mental health includes Lady Gaga, Adele and Bioons. Clear? So these are the celebrities who talk about the mental health. Clear everybody this much? Then next chapter is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. In short, it is called as ADHD. Now, it is also a mental disorder that can cause above normal levels of hyperactivity. Means normal activity से वो hyperactivity करने लगता है and impulsive behavior. बहुत ज़्यादा वो hyper के हो जाता है हर बात में. Clear? Persons with ADHD may have trouble focusing their attention on single task. एक टास्क पे एक काम पर वो अपना फोकस नहीं रख सकता and sitting still for the long periods of time. Then they may become forgetful about completing tasks, getting distracted easily distracted हो जाते हैं, interrupting people when they are speaking. So these are all the signs. Adults and children can have ADHD. Means adult as well as children both can be suffering from this mental disorder that is caused above normal level of hyperactive and impulsive behavior. Then ADHD awareness month is October every year. Then celebrities who live with this ADHD includes Michael Phelps. So these are the celebrities which are also having these types of what disorders? Adam Levine and Justin Timberlake. Clear? These two clear?
Ma'am.
Okay. Now AIDS. AIDS. It stands for Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome. AIDS full form is Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome.
Syndrome.
And it is caused by a virus. एक वायरस के द्वारा ये होता है and called HIV. The virus name is HIV. And that is human immunodeficiency virus. Clear? What is HIV? Human immunodeficiency virus. Then its awareness symbol is the red ribbon. Awareness symbol is red ribbon. That is World's AIDS Day. That is 1st December.
December.
1st December is World AIDS Day. Clear these three?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now again, three are remaining. We will continue in our next class. I will share, but before that also, I will share these 7th and 8th lesson in the group as well as on the student portal. You can complete your work from of lesson number 7 and 8 from there. Clear from the PDF. And in our next class, I will continue with this, explaining this. First, I will explain this 4, 5, and 6 and the fact byte, and then we will continue with lesson number 9. Hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So that's all for today. Thank you.